little artist. Today, we're going to draw a super cute island girl who looks just like Baby Moana. Bright eyes, a flower in her hair, and a warm, sunny smile. And here's the magical part. After we draw and color her, she's going to wave at you. So get your crayons and paper ready. Let's bring her to life. Let's start with her head. Draw a nice, big, round shape. It doesn't need to be perfect. You can use light strokes first and then go darker when you're happy with the shape. Now let's draw her hair. Thick, wavy, and full of island breeze. Start from one side and make soft, curvy lines. Imagine the wind is gently blowing her hair, and don't worry if your lines wiggle a bit. That makes it even more fun. Draw a big flower on the side of her head, 5 round petals, and a circle in the middle. If one petal looks bigger than the others, that's okay. Flowers in nature aren't all the same. That makes them special. Next, give her 2 big round eyes with tiny white circles inside. Those white circles are the sparkle. Leave them uncolored later to make her eyes come alive. Add a tiny button nose and a smile that curves up at both ends. You can lightly sketch a small U shape and adjust it until it looks just right. Let's draw her eyebrows right above her eyes. Just 2 soft curves. Think of them like little rainbows over her eyes. Small and simple. Next, we'll draw her arms bent gently inward, holding a flower. Start with her shoulders. Then curve her arms down so her hands meet in front of her chest. Let's draw both of her hands together. You can use simple mitten shapes at first. They don't have to be super detailed, just enough to show they're holding something precious. Now let's draw the flower she's holding. Add 5 rounded petals. Draw a short little stem sticking down toward her belly. This makes it look like she's really holding it close. Draw her body down to the tummy, a little rounded and soft. Just imagine she's wearing a cute island dress. Let's add her necklace. Small ovals in a loop around her neck, like tiny seashells. You can space them evenly or make them playful. Both look great. Great job! The drawing is done. Now it's time to color and really bring her to life. Start with her skin. A warm golden brown like sunshine on the beach. Use small circular motions with your crayon to fill it in smoothly. cheeks. Just small soft circles. Go light at first, then build it up so she looks extra smiley and sweet. Color her hair dark brown or blue, whichever you like. Follow the shape of the hair with your strokes to make it look nice and neat. A soft red or pink will do. Try not to press too hard. A little color goes a long way. Time to color her dress. Let's use something bright like pink, orange, or turquoise. Let us now color the flowers in her hair and her hands. A bold pink with a yellow center. Make the color pop like a real tropical flower. Finally, color her necklace with a lighter shade of brown, close to her skin color. Be extra gentle with your strokes, so you can stay within the ovals. And you're done! She looks amazing! Are you ready for the best part? Let's say, Moana! Watch closely, because our little island girl is about to wave at you. Thanks for drawing and coloring with me today. And remember, every drawing brings your imagination to life. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you won't miss the next magical character that comes to life.